Hey y'all, my name is Brandon and I used to weigh 300 pounds. Don't adjust your speakers, don't adjust the volume, that's correct. I used to weigh 300 pounds. Probably start a picture here. Um, so about 19 years ago, I was 300 pounds, went from 300 to 175 in like 100 days or so. And that created what I call the guilt-free lifestyle, which focuses on understanding that throughout our health and wellness journey, there is no such thing as perfection. It's only about the process of the journey and moving forward and focusing on your mind, body, and spirit and try to get those aligned. Through the guilt-free lifestyle, about 8 years ago, I discovered that I was allergic to gluten. And so ever since I was a large person, I always loved sweets. So I had to create a way of continuing what I'm doing, but not giving it up, so making it guilt-free. And that's what created the guilt-free pastries. From guilt-free pastries, we specialize in avocado brownies. Everything we create is gluten-free, grain-free, refined sugar-free, butter-free, dairy-free, soy-free, xanthan gum-free, and made with organic ingredients. We do vegan products, and we also do custom items from any pastry item there is, as long as it falls within those guilt-free standards that I just mentioned before. We ship nationwide, everywhere, and we deliver everywhere in the local Memphis area, same day delivery. What we would do if we were able to win this grant here, the most important part about the grant was us having the access to meet all the brilliant minds behind it, getting their mentorship and learning from them, opposed to the funding part, the money part. But we would happy if we can get the money part. Of course, we would utilize the money part to go along with what we already are having local people here helping us acquire the money for our own production kitchen. That's sort of the next biggest step for us to create our own production kitchen here in the Memphis area, so we can get more things out and moving quicker and ship things out at a more expedient rate. Also, we're having access to that. We be able to hire more black employees and more at-risk employees as well locally here within the Memphis area. So that's about it, and thanks, and y'all have a good day. Remember to continue to live the guilt-free lifestyle. Peace.